We'll go back up. Harry Charles, please. Harry Charles, come on up.
I don't know about that, but I know that you know what you're doing.
I didn't see him on the docket, if that means anything.
So the judge
Is he?
He's here, he's not.
Oh,
We have Harry Charles in the main jail.
I gotcha. Looking at the wrong document. That might
Main
help.
jail, is anybody over there?
And he may not get it.
Hey there.
Hold on, Your Honor, we're checking real quick.
Okay, thank you.
They didn't let him out.
Yeah. Fine. I was just checking. There was, I guess, grand theft from 2013 also, but I think he just took a jail on it. Yeah, I was just that I knew there was something that.
Married single widow divorce. Married single widow divorce.
Patrice, should we address this issue with this email now while we're waiting?
Your Honor, do you have a page number?
It was a roll, it was a 17.
Oh. I thought
From
you
this
asked
morning?
about
I don't know, was it
On this afternoon's docket, page 17.
afternoon docket, page 17?
When was the last time you took?
He hasn't made it down from upstairs as of yet. We'll call and check on him, see what's going on.
Can I approach?
Come on up.
But how do you?
misdemeanor fine coverage.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is John Hurley. I'm your judge this afternoon. We're in first appearance court. Always remember, you have the right to remain silent, but if you give up that right, whatever you say can and will be used against you. Also, if you have a private attorney, when you called up, let me know who that is. We'll contact your attorney and let them know that you're in court. Now, David Neves, please. Neves? Come on up, sir. Hello,
Your Honor.
Like to stand right here for me?
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, you've been charged with cocaine and heroin. Oh, you know what? We don't have our public defender over there yet. Okay. Yeah. Just stand by one moment. We'll be right back with you,
Always
Mr. Neves.
Thank you very much.
Can I see David Neves, please?
And
Mr. Neves, come on up. I've had a chance to speak with your mother.
NYPD.
I've looked at the report. The court feels you have a drug problem that needs to be addressed, and I hope you're willing to address the drug issues. If you're willing to comply with counseling and drug testing, I'll let you out of jail today. Are you willing to comply?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. Tomorrow between 8 and noon, you need to be at pretrial release. There's a map right there, but it's just across the street from the jail. So it's actually on this side behind me. It'll take you about a minute to walk there, but you'll go home tonight, and then tomorrow you show up there, all right?
Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Now, you're going to have to be drug tested every week. And if you fail a drug test,
I'll figure it out.
you'll go right back in custody, all right?
Okay, that's
You'll probably
understood.
stay in custody until the day of your trial.
With the first drug test, it's possible that there's still marijuana
we'll
in my
factor
system?
that in. We'll factor that in, but you'll be on a tight leash, all right?
Judge, and also
Understood.
since there's no
Thank you,
PD
sir.
in the courtroom, he got the paperwork for,
Here's PD.
He's there.
he's there.
I'm here.
Okay. So also, you're going to go to 4 Narcotics Anonymous meetings per week, all right, sir? I'm going to give you 48 hours to get yourself a sponsor, all right?
48 hours for a sponsor?
For Narcotics Anonymous. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I will find a meeting tonight or tomorrow.
Okay.
Got it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I wish you the best. I hope we've taken the first step toward trying to get your son back. You know, and he can maybe get back in college and get his life back online. All right, ma'am? Okay? You seem like a very sweet person today.
I am.
All right? You have a very nice. You celebrate Christmas? Okay, you have a very Merry Christmas, man. Okay? Good luck.
Your Honor, if we could call Harry Charles's case, please. If we could call Harry Charles's case, please.
He's not here yet, Judge.
Not here? Okay, stand by.
What do I do now?
She'll talk to you.
Harry Charles? He's here.
Okay, he's there. All right.
He's there.
Mr. Harry Charles, you have the right to remain silent. If you give up that right today, whatever you say can and will be used against you. Do you understand that?
Yes, Honor.
Now you have an attorney, Mark Z, here in court with us. He's a very fine attorney.
Yes, Honor.
Allow Mr. Z to speak on your behalf, all right?
Yes, Honor.
Okay, Mr. Z, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Judge.
Sir, your client has been charged with sexual batter. Well, let me back up. Would you like me to not read the charges?
Yes, Judge. At this point in Harry, you're going to be held in no bond on the VOP, so we're going to address all the bond issues in court with Judge Singal, okay? So we're not going to have any fight today. At this point, Judge,
It's not mentioned on the booking order, but I was going to advise the court, once the court found PC, that even before we get to proof evidence presumption grade, he does have pending, he's on probation in front of Judge Singal.
Okay, hold on.
Probation until
Are you
2017.
going to argue whether there's proof evidence presumption grade for
Judge,
today?
no, honestly, I don't want to go into any of that today. I want to save that for a later date.
Okay, so
What-
the court's going to find proof evidence presumption grade today on count 1. The court's going to set count 2 at 25,000, 3 at 25,000, 4 at 5,000. And as the court's
Oh,
understand-
Your Honor, I would also ask, I'm sorry, 2 and 3 really are.
It's my daughter,
Your daughter, okay. What's your name, ma'am?
Maria Vilches.
How do you know Miss Galvin?
She's my cousin.
Okay. All right. Now, you're Miss Thieber? Your name, ma'am?
Lidia Monteagudo,
Okay.
she's the grandmother of Hubert.
Now, how does Chantel Thiebert fit in here?
She's his daughter, my granddaughter.
She's your daughter, and the other person's your granddaughter.
Yes, sir.
So, Miss Thiebert is Miss Galvin's daughter.
Yes, sir.
Got it. And how old is Miss Thiebert?
28.
She's 28? Okay. I understand. Okay.
Judge, I'm requesting a photo order.
Now, ma'am, she had a prior arrest for domestic battery, but that was dropped. Tell me about your daughter. Well, let me ask you, ma'am. What does Cynthia do for work, do you know?
Me?
Yes.
She's works for Western.
Her children.
I'm going to, release her on her own recognizance. She has to go to pretrial release tomorrow between 8 and noon. She's going to have a drug and alcohol evaluation, and I'm going to order that Miss Galvin not consume any alcoholic beverages while she's on release. All right?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? She's not allowed to drink no cerveza, no liquor, no...
Nada.
Nothing. Is that clear, Miss Galvin?
Your Honor.
She said yes.
Okay.
Yes, I understand.
I'm going to order a drug and alcohol evaluation for you, ma'am.
That's fine.
And I'm going to order you not to have any contact, directly or indirectly, with Chantel Thieber. You have to stay 500 feet from her at all times, and you are not allowed to possess any guns or weapons while you're on release, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Judge, I am doing a photo order, although she may be released before we're able to do it.
Thank you.
No, no need for it, I guess, now. The judge is releasing her.
How about Shamari Brown?
President of Maine. Man, you got Judge, I have a probable cause argument.
Go ahead, sir. What is that?
Judge, my probable cause argument is if you look at the second page of the probable cause affidavit, they allege that he pulled a gun, but nowhere in the PC, as far as I can recall, says that the victim was in fear that the violence was imminent.
Says in the middle, victim said the firearm was pointed directly at him and he was in fear for his life.
Right.
And even if it didn't, Your Honor, the case law has found that certain actions, a jury can find someone is per se in fear. For instance, having a gun pointed at them.
Now, was there any contact with the alleged victim?
There was contact. The victim is not concerned with safety.
Okay. This is between two brothers. Let me ask Mr. Isall. Do you have anything you'd like to... Oh, does he have a criminal
Yes,
record?
Judge.
Hold on, Mr. Afsal. Does he have a criminal record state?
One moment, Your Honor. He has... I don't have anything.
No? No criminal record?
Judge, he's gainfully employed. He works at Little Caesars. He has a place to stay separate and apart from his brother. He's going to be residing with the sister in Pembroke Pines. He's going to rely on his sister to bond out. He doesn't have a bank account, and I don't think he owns any property. There's no property in his name. So I'm asking the court to set a low bond in light of the fact that he has no prior criminal history.
So I'm going to set a bond at $1,500. I'm going to order that while you're out, whether you have a permit or not, you're not allowed to work, go to school, anywhere in between. You are not allowed to possess guns, firearms, or ammunition while you're out on release. Thank you. How about Shania Bass? Shayna Bass?
Medical reset.
We're going to pass that through. Out-of-state hold, no bond. How about Tamara Hyman?
President, the main judge. I'm just. Can I just have a moment to briefly interview her?
Sure.
Judge, this is a not in custody case?
All you have to do is...
I don't know. Let me look real quick. I'll tell you. Oh, I'm going to set a bond. I'm going to set her a bond.
Your Honor, I can tell you, I reviewed the medical records for the victim. He suffered fractures to his wrist and hand. Medical bills, at this point, I saw over $80,000. Trespass in March of this year, possession of marijuana 2010.
Okay. All right, Mr. That's it?
I'm ready, Judge.
Hold on. Okay, Tamara Hyman, go ahead, Mr. Afzal. A gun, any weapon, any ammunition, all right, sir? Thank you. And ROR. So you can bond out, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
How about Jessica Gutierrez? Tina Getch, and there we go.
She's making her way up, Judge.
Okay, where's is that Jessica Gutierrez?
Yes, Judge.
Ma'am, you're charged with DUI, resisting arrest. You have an out-of-county hold on count 3. That's a felony, no bond, and that is out of Orange County on a burglary. And you have a probation violation on a burglary on out of Orange County on 4. I'm going to set your bond on count 1 at $500. Thank you, Ms. Gutierrez.
Judge, we need a medical screen.
Okay, I'll order a med screen.
Thank you.
How about Tina Getch?
Could be at the North Broward Jail.
Yes. Yes.
Tina Getch, where are you, ma'am? Deputy at North Broward, do we have Tina Getch over there?
Did she bond? That she probably didn't bond.
She's supposed to be at Paul Ryan, Your Honor.
Paul Ryan's down. He's been down all day. So we're gonna, I'm gonna find probable cause. I'm gonna go ahead and set her bond at 1,000 and reset this case for Thursday afternoon. There you go. Thursday PM. How about Galvin Parson, Terry George, and Adrian Hilton?
I got network problems with Paul Ryan. Galvin's North Carolina.
Sounds good. Parson, no driver's license, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, only an ID card. And all right, sir, I'm going to let you bond out today. What do you do for work right now?
Right now, we're at a temp agency, something like labor pool.
All right,
Judge, would you consider an ROR? I mean, I don't know if he has $25.
I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. You need to go out and get a driver's license, all right?
All right, sir.
All right, good luck.
Thank you very much.
Terry George. Terry George, you charged with carrying electronic weapon or device, drug paraphernalia, resisting arrest without violence, and speeding.
Judge, I've been advised his brother may have his bond.
His bond's been posted. He'll be out of jail shortly.
Goodbye. You're getting out of jail. You're getting out of jail.
Probable cause is found. Adrian Hilton.
President to Maine. Adrian, may I just get a few seconds to interview him briefly?
Sure. Charged with drug paraphernalia. Go ahead. State, does he have a criminal record?
He does, Judge. Burglary, 1999. Petty theft, 1999. All 1999 cocaine, drug paraphernalia, resisting without violence. 2000 trespass. 2000 aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. 2001 trespass. 2002 possession of cocaine and paraphernalia. And trespass, unlawful use of a name. 2004 trespass and no valid DL. 2005 tampering with evidence and possession of cocaine. 2007 battery on a law enforcement officer. Assault on emergency medical personnel. 2013 trespass. 2014 tampering with evidence and paraphernalia. And cocaine, drug paraphernalia, and DWLS.
Okay.
Always start
From yours.
from the most recent.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Hassel.
Judge, he does work, he does do construction and cleans restaurants. He has no money in the bank. He currently lives in Fort Lauderdale with a friend. He has no money in the bank and no property. He grew up down in South Florida, so he does have strong family ties. $100 bond for him. He has nobody to post it for him. He's paying him out to no bond. Will the court consider pretrial release?
No, not with his criminal record. So I'm going to leave you bond out. Count 100. Multiple. You have a very long criminal record. I'm going to set your bond on count 2 at 150. In order you not to return to the Walgreens, your total bond's $250. Thank you, sir.
From recent to older.
I see
Only cases have been
Nissan
cut out,
Giat,
and if they've been sentenced to prison.
Jeffrey Glover, and Joshua Johnston.
Yeah. No. No, Nissan? You're next. Not you, sir. You didn't call your case. You called Mr. Giat first.
Giat's bond has been posted.
Your bond has been posted, sir. You're out of here.
Jeffrey Glover.
Present at the main. Come on, Jeffrey, come on up.
All right. Does he have a criminal record?
He has no Florida priors, Judge.
Mr. Glover, how long have you lived down here in South Florida?
Go ahead. Good job. How long you been living down here?
Since a child.
Mr. Glover,
Born in Florida.
he's got no
I was
criminal
born
record.
in Florida. Huh?
I understand. Sir, would you like to resolve your case today? You could plead no contest, your case to be over with. Would you like
Judge,
to do that?
I did talk to him about that. He intends on fighting these charges. I'm requesting the court to release him on his own recognizance as long as we can establish ties to the community.
Well, that's the issue. I have no address. The police report is blank for an address, and the booking report has general delivery on it, Deerfield Beach, and it says that in here he refused to give his name. So it's really difficult to see a way to release him without a bond. So,
Judge, my issue is this: is that I didn't hear the state say that he's failed to appear in court or that he's absconded in any way or fashion, and I understand his living situation, but if the court orders him to be present for court, he could. Do you have a mailbox? Do you have a place where you receive mail?
Your Honor.
Yes, but I don't go there that often.
okay.
If I could provide more information to the court judge, he doesn't have Broward priors. He does have. He's got a warrant right now. Looks like it's somewhere in Florida. I'm just trying to figure out where. It's definitely a Florida warrant, Your Honor.
Okay, well, here's the issue.
For failing to appear in
understand
court on trespass.
He appears to be homeless, but by the same time, the only analysis is not whether or not he has money. Is it reasonable to turn somebody out on the street with no address, no mailbox, no mail drop, no nothing? The chances it'll show up in court are pretty remote, and if I let him out, really high. So, okay.
Well, my only thing is this, and I think that's an issue that can be discussed later, is that if he had a house and if he had some money, then more likely than not, he probably would be released or pretrial release. It's just his living situation is an impediment to his release. So I guess.
Also want to mix in there that he was reluctant or he did not give his name when he was arrested. So there's, I'm gonna give him a $100 bond. Thank you. How about Joshua Johnston?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Johnston, can you afford a $125 bond?
Yeah, I was in Colorado today. I did a plea by mail to the judge. She knows I was in Colorado during the court hearing.
Sir, count
It's been
one
like
is
3 months
making
after
an
my
altered
incident.
prescription. Count two is a
I've been in
warrant
touch
on
with Judge
petty
Levy in
theft.
North Satellite.
Court finds probable cause.
Judge, I think the issue with count two is he entered a plea by mail, and that's what he's advising me. He was in Colorado at the time. I believe Judge Levy's his judge.
Accepted it. My mom's been talking to Judge Levy's assistant, Susan, and I got the plea by mail accepted. But I told her I was in South Carolina at the time. I moved from Colorado to South Carolina. She has the letter from South Carolina. And I told her I was coming down from the holidays because this whole mail process was taking too long.
Where's your mom?
Plantation, 1061 Northwest 83rd Ave, Plantation,
Why doesn't
Florida.
your mom just come down and bond you out for $125?
Because she's being a mom and she's being stubborn.
All right. Well, I'm not gonna. Yeah, I'm. Okay, so I'm gonna set your bond on count 1 at $25, count 2 at 100, so you can bond out. Thank you. How about Delano Gray?
So I have to wait till my court date.
Or you can bond out.
Yeah, but like she's.
You gotta contact somebody to get you out here.
Okay, yeah, can you try it?
Delano Gray, so you're charged with a violation of probation on count 2. That's a no bond hold, sir. Thank you.
Judge, could I just inform the defendant, it says he's got court 12/11. Looks like he's got court Friday.
Okay. So you have
Roswell
court on Friday.
Bridger?
Thank you.
Yeah, excuse me, sir.
So your court date
They
is on
offered
Monday.
me 6 months
Okay.
probation.
I
I've been
can't turn
in
the mic
probation.
You're Roswell, right?
Is Mike on?
I hear you. Go ahead.
They offered me 6 months probation or 14 days in county. I've been in county 15 days now, sir.
I understand, but that's going to be between you and your judge. I'm not in a position to resolve that today, okay? They'll give you
Okay.
credit for the time you've been in. Thank you.
Yeah,
So
okay.
do you need to see me or something?
No, just waiting for
There's- yeah.
waiting for me.
Now,
He needs to keep it a hurry up.
we're going to skip over Roswell Bridger for a minute. It'll go on the next docket.
Well,
Usually,
Patrice,
right?
were some of them reset from this morning, or are they all? Yeah. Yeah, the Ebo's one. Yep.
You know what? Let me do this. Do we have, let me see Roswell Bridger.
Yeah, it is. Can I see the SBD case back?
May I see Roswell Bridger?
Present at the meeting.
Hey, Mr. Bridger. Sir, you are charged with petty theft on count 1, probation violation on count 2. That's a no bond hold. Count 3, you have a warrant on a municipal ordinance. That's a $500 warrant. 4, petty theft, new charge. 5, probation violation, no bond. 6, petty theft. New charge. 7, probation violation. 8, petty theft. 9, probation violation. 10, petty theft. New charge. 11, probation violation. So,
What? Sebastian Main got it?
great. Understand. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to set your bond. You're already on probation for grand theft, and it's alleged you went around town and were stealing cigarettes at different locations. I'm going to set your bond on count 1 at $500. Count 2, no bond. Count 3, 500. Count 4, 500. Count 6, no bond. 7, petty theft, 500. Oh, I'm sorry, count 6. I meant count 6. Sorry. Yeah, count 6. That's right. Count 6, 500. 7, no bond. 8, 100. 8, 500. 9, probation violation. 10, theft. It's going to be $500. 11, probation violation. No bond. Thank you. I'm going to appoint J.R. McLawrence on that case. Thank you.
You're getting, you have some.
Okay.
Wait a minute. What just happened? Where are
Is
we
he,
already went through those cases?
Basilio Ferreira,
Okay.
Faria,
Okay.
Benjamin Massey, Michael Croft. You ready to go, Mr.
Thanks, Coach. Don't worry about it. These are all MO cases. These are all MOs.
Okay.
This is Mr. Massey, Judge.
Massey?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
you told me you can't afford your own attorney. Would you like me to give you the free attorney now?
Well, yeah, that would work.
Okay. I'm going to appoint Mr. Shea to represent you. Mr. Shea,
I
just as soon offer him a withhold adjudication if he pleads it out today.
That's fine, Judge. Thank you.
Sir, you want to plead no contest today and your case is over with, Mr. Massey?
yeah.
All right, how do you plead, sir?
No contest.
I guess no contest.
I'll accept it. I'll withhold adjudication. Thank you.
Wait, what?
I'll withhold adjudication. Your case is over with. Thank you.
Withhold adjudication
You're
means
done.
that you have no conviction. You're entering a plea to resolve your case. That's what he said. That's what he meant.
So,
You have every right to fight your case, but you gotta let him know if you want to fight.
I'm just trying
Hold on. Come back here, sir. Massey,
Judge, I
what's
don't
the
think you
problem?
understand what's going on.
I don't at all.
Massey, is there something you don't understand?
Yes, sir. I mean, I'm just trying to figure out, like, how long I would serve in jail for.
You're not. You're going to get out of jail tonight. I'm letting you out.
Oh, okay.
You pled no contest. I accepted it. I gave you withhold adjudication. You'll be out of jail this evening, all right?
Awesome. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Well, there you go. It's awesome.
Have a good one.
Yes, sir.
It's like Spicoli.
I'm done, right?
Awesome.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. You've got two warrants for your arrest.
Roman
Open
linen?
container of alcohol and open container of alcohol.
Yes, sir.
You got a 20.
Are you currently employed?
You have a 20.
Right now, sir, I'm plucking unemployment. I got hurt on the job.
Do you have money in the bank?
I do not, sir. Right now, I'm barely making it on unemployment. I have surgery set for next week.
Would you like me to give you a free attorney, a special public defender right now? He's in my court.
I would like to try to resolve it if possible.
Well, let me just straighten this out. Do you need an attorney to help you?
I don't believe so. I'll plead no. I have no problem pleading
Okay, if
no
you
contest,
plead no
sir.
contest, do you understand the case is over with today? We're not going to have a
I
trial?
do, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you plead, sir?
I'll plead no contest,
I'll
sir.
withhold adjudication. Good luck, Mr. Croft.
Thank you, Judge Hurley.
Basilio Faria. So you're charged with 3 municipal ordinance violations, sleeping on the sidewalk, trespassing. Sir, would you like to resolve your cases today?
The officer that arrested me, he said I was gonna be here for a few days, and then I would be let go. That's what the officer who arrested me said.
Well, would you like to plead guilty or no contest and get the cases over with today, and then you can leave jail tonight?
Leaving jail tonight is what I would like to do.
Would you like to plead no contest then?
By pleading no contest, what would that mean in regards to those?
That means that the cases would be over with. You weren't going to have a trial. You're just going to get them over with right now.
All right, that'd be great. All right, no contest.
You understand we're not having a trial on this matter. Any of these matters, they're wrapped up and they're over with right now. Are you understanding that?
Yes, and I would be able to leave tonight.
Yes, sir.
Very well.
How do you plead?
So,
no contest?
No contest. Yes.
Yeah, I'll accept that. Thank you very much, Mr. Faria.
Thank you.
Okay, what about Karen Oren?
Yes. North per hour. Come on.
Yeah, I'll point shade on that for you.
I hope that's okay.
Karen Oren?
Lord.
Hello, Miss Oren. Ma'am, you're here for open containers of alcohol and sleeping on the public street. Ma'am, do you have money in the bank?
No, I don't.
Can you afford to hire your own attorney?
No, I can't.
Would you like me to give you a free attorney, ma'am?
I would like to plead no contest.
Okay, I understand that. But I can give you a free attorney to help you through the hearing today. Would you like me to do that?
Yeah?
Ma'am, look at
You
me.
have to withdraw your plea.
It's not gonna cost you anything to have an attorney help you today. Would you like me to have the attorney help you?
It's gonna hurt.
Okay, so I'm gonna appoint Mr. Shade. Now you have three separate cases. Mr. Shade, would you, just as soon resolve her case as let her plead nolo?
That's fine, Judge.
Case be over with today? Ma'am, would you like to resolve your cases today? You plead no contest, as your lawyer suggested, and the cases will be over with today. Do you understand that?
But can I say something?
How do you plead, ma'am? Ma'am? You plead no contest?
That's not a thing.
Okay. I'll accept that. I'll withhold adjudication, ma'am. Thank you. How about, yes, ma'am. How about, Robert Miller?
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Where's Miller?
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
It's here.
How are you?
Miller, you're here for an open container of alcohol.
Yes, sir.
Find probable cause. Miller, would you like to resolve this case today?
Yes, I would.
Now, Miller, are
Yes,
you
I would.
working?
Pardon me? I work out of the labor hall right now. I'm a painting contractor, but work slow, so I've been working out of the labor hall.
I understand. Do you have any money in the bank?
No, not really.
Would you like me to give you a free attorney to help you today?
No, sir. I'd like to resolve this today.
Okay, how do you plead, sir?
I think no contest would be the best
Okay,
way.
I'll withhold adjudication. Good luck, Mr. Miller.
So, adjudication means go
Withheld. You're done. That's it. It's
Thank
over.
you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And we're waiting on Portuguese now. Let me see if there's any other.
Judge, we're not going to have a Portuguese interpreter.
Portuguese was coming.
So, I think that's it, Mr. Shade.
That's it?
Yep.
I think that's it as well.
Take
Judge.
about a 1 minute break.
Steve, come here.
Be right back.
Steve.
Thank you. Okay, Daryl Butler, Zuberi Floyd, and Sebastian Mango.
Full recall?
Daryl Butler,
Daryl Butler?
Mr. Butler, you're here for possessing cocaine. Count 1, that's 1,000. Count 2 and 3 are no bond, violations of probation. And you'll see your judge on the 14th. Thank you. How about Zuberi Floyd?
Okay, you're gonna see him. 1 and the 14th. That's what it says.
Okay, Zuberi Floyd, step forward, please.
Judge, I've been advised that he's advised me that his family posted his bond. Can we look into that?
Posted.
Bond posted.
Now, hold on.
Bond not posted.
We're checking.
Who's this?
Floyd?
Yeah, this happened before he was put on probation.
So your bond's been posted,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you. How about Sebastian Mango?
Present at the main.
Sir,
We're gonna
possession
rip it
with
up.
intent to sell, deliver
I don't know if this
cannabis
has personal
and
information.
drug paraphernalia. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Finds probable cause.
I'd rip it up.
State, do we have any criminal record?
Who is this, Your Honor?
This is Sebastian Mango.
Is it 2014 possession of cannabis and also an unfiled pending drug case.
What's the unfiled for?
It is. I can pull it up, Judge.
Okay.
Well, no.
You need to sign something? Okay. What's going on? What's the open case on Mango?
The possession with intent to sell. Huh?
Is it just an unfiled case?
This is the unfiled case.
Okay.
Also
so-
possession, there's 4 counts. Also possession of a controlled substance, introducing contraband.
What's the possession with intent? What is it? Cocaine? Marijuana?
It doesn't say.
I believe it's cannabis.
Why does everything take so long?
I'm not.
I mean,
Yeah, I'm not.
I'm wishing with their throat so much against fucking Seattle.
It doesn't say.
When you know Seattle's office.
We'll work through it. So, what's it, cannabis?
I
So I'm
think,
gonna
I
go
believe
ahead
it's
and-
cannabis, Your Honor. I think it was cannabis when we looked at it.
One count is cannabis, the other count is a substance without a
Better set your bond at
prescription.
1,000. Let your bond out. Thank you. Roman Lennon, Tyrone
Present at the
Talley,
main.
and Joshua Torado.
Judge.
Yeah.
No, I was gonna get into his ties whenever the court's ready.
All right, Mr. Lennon, you're here for possession with intent to sell, deliver cocaine, riding a bike without a light. Go ahead.
Judge, he currently lives in an apartment. What city do you live in, sir?
Probably.
What city?
Not in city in Broward.
Fort Lauderdale.
Hollywood.
Judge, he lives in an apartment in Hollywood. He grew up down here. He lives with his sister. He pays $350 in rent. He does receive $250 a month for SSI, but at this point, at this juncture, he has no money in the bank, and he doesn't own any property. He is concerned that no one knows that he's in jail, so he has no one to contact to get to bond him out of jail. Judge, I would request pretrial release for Mr. Lennon.
Well, whatever you have, let's judge it.
He has Florida priors. In 2004, possession of cocaine and tampering with physical evidence, and in 2003, obstructing justice. But he's also not from Florida.
He's got priors out of South Carolina. 2003 shoplifting, 1996, grand theft, burglary, strong arm robbery, and burglary. Another burglary and grand theft from 93. And of record, Judge.
When was this last prior, Mr. Linder?
The last one I said in South Carolina?
No, the last one here in Broward. The last prior period.
2004 cocaine.
Judge, he hasn't been in trouble in 11 years.
I understand. So I'm going to set your bond today at $2,500 on count one. Based on the facts of the case, excuse me, your criminal record. Thank you, sir. Missy Tyrone Talley.
Present at the main, decline PD.
Driving on a suspended license, sir. Quick finds probable cause. Let me look here, Tally. Bond posted. So your bond's been posted. You'll be out of jail shortly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, probable cause found. Okay. What about Joshua Torado?
You guys finished seeing the judge?
Decline PD.
Yeah, I just took him over there and she was like.
Possession of MDMA, possession of cannabis, quick finds probable cause state. Does this gentleman have a criminal record?
He does, Judge, in 2006, unlawful use of a false name and a DWLS, and also possession of cocaine in 2009, and that was a violation of probation.
You gotta put a time in. Whatever your time is.
I think my bond.
I think your bond's been posted?
Yeah.
Tell the judge.
Judge, I think my bond's been
I
posted,
understand
Judge.
your bond's $1,000, sir. You can bond out. Thank you.
Is it posted, Your Honor?
Yes, it's been posted according to pretrial.
Okay, thank you. Is that all? He looks like he's looking at something.
I see Joshua Torado.
Joshua?
Sorry. Sorry
Okay.
about that.
No, you're done.
How about how about Joaquin Lopez, John?
Present at the.
Go ahead. John Medina Cruz.
Mr. Lopez is present.
Got it. Bond is posted. You're out of jail shortly, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
See for what? He's out. Okay, what's
Come back.
tell me when it
This is
happened.
on, Joaquin, right? Joaquin.
Joaquin Lopez.
No, let me see that. Yeah.
I don't see it on the driving record.
Well, it was filed in late October, so it might not have made it there yet.
Okay.
But
So he's got an open DUI?
yes, Your Honor, with the DWLS. Okay.
The driver asleep at the wheel at an intersection. Okay, what's case number, State?
It is 15-10954 MM10A.
Judge,
Yes, sir.
will you are you accepting the PD? You want me to represent you? Judge, he has an attorney. He claims.
Who's your attorney,
Who's your
sir?
lawyer? A public defender or a private attorney? Where does he work?
Just give me a moment, Your Honor. Let me check it out.
Hold on, they're gonna find. Judge, he has an attorney in Dade, an attorney in Kendall. He can't remember his name.
Just give me a moment.
It is a private attorney.
Okay, I think I have it. Fuzz, is this attorney Richard Mursky?
Yes, that's him.
Hold on. Do we know his
He's
name?
calling your
Yes,
lawyer.
Judge.
Missy Joaquin Lopez. Mr. Lopez, count 1, DUI, $500. Count 2, refusing to submit, $1,000. Count 3, driving on a suspended license. That's going to be $2,500. And is he right behind you there, Mr. Afsal?
Judge, I'm asking for a mental health screen.
I've already.
Healthcare, customer service. She posted bond on count 4, was unable to post bond on counts 1 through 3.
This even goes a little beyond our usual battering a law enforcement officer. He was demonstrating significant violence, at one point reaching for an officer.
He allegedly went into a military recruiting office acting strange. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, based on everything the court's heard, based on your DUI, your criminal mischief, the facts of the case, count 1, the court's going to set the bond at $1,500, 2 at $1,500. Count 3, the court's going to set the...
Beauvoir? Page 11, 16.
Do we have Jean Beauvoir yet?
North Broward. North Broward.
Jean Beauvoir, North Broward, do you have him? Excuse me.
North Broward only has Bellamy and Hyacinth left.
Okay, D-A-E-A-N.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. How about Ryan Espinoza? Did he bond Ryan Espinoza?
7, 12-8.
We're finding out right now.
Judge, can we go, you want to go cyber? I suspect I know what's going on, but...
Hold on. Bessie Luis
No, it's
Lopez.
not. He was arrested December 7th. That's a misprint. He was arrested
Lopez,
December
please.
7th.
Yeah. Okay.
He's not at the main, Judge.
Good. Jonathan Cunningham. Jonathan Cunningham.
Your Honor, I think it's just Jonah.
Jonah Cunningham.
He was at Paul Ryan yesterday. Either way, Judge, this is the case I informed you that they did the misbook on,
Right.
and you found proof evident presumption grade for robbery firearm. The jail corrected the booking sheet and then brought him back, but
So I'm going to go ahead and
and you already told him yesterday.
reestablish proof evident presumption grade. Defendant's going to be held no bond. That's Mr. Jonah Cunningham.
He was yesterday, but there's nothing to advise him of. I think so, because the judge already told him yesterday what's going on, and he knew. And
Missy Dedrick Blevins.
Present at the main. Yes. Judge, at this juncture,
Go ahead.
I explained to him what was going on. He pled, I believe, 2 misdemeanors yesterday. At this juncture, because of the violation of probation, I'm moving to withdraw his pleas.
Okay.
To set bonds.
That's fine. I may need an order for that. You may need to give me an order, all right?
just put those right over there.
Ms. Strickland, can you
Are
write
those on the docket, or is that something that was?
Derek
They're not on the docket.
Devin Derek Blevins, please.
There's nothing we're doing now.
So-
I mean, if you're just curious.
So just what's on the
there's nothing
docket
we're
today?
doing.
The 15-10719
Yeah, 2
MM?
misdemeanors.
Be rude. You're not being rude.
Okay.
She's like, I don't want to be rude. I'm like, can I go ahead, be rude?
David Blevins, plea.
Whatever her reason is, she doesn't have to stay here.
Sentence. On yesterday's date, are hereby pursuant to the motion by the defense, are hereby vacated and set aside. Defendant's bond, well, I'm gonna write on here, defendant's bond's $100, all right? There you go. Thank you.
No problem. See you.
You're vacating your withhold?
Yeah, it's gonna go back to no bond.
Judge, did you get bonds on the he already has bonds on the misdemeanor?
Correct.
Can the court order the clerk to schedule his VOP hearing within a week?
Yeah, could you do that on this gentleman right here? This defendant. Yeah, just set his probation violations. You can. Not the misdemeanor, but the 2 probation violations. 12-15? Okay, thank you. Okay.
Judge, I have 2 at the main.
Who do you have, sir?
Judge, I have Mr. Opie. I think it's a second look. Judge, I urge the court, it's a second look. He was before Judge Zakor on Monday. Now, I did argue a probable cause argument. It stems from what the officer alleges that he took a pamphlet and threw it at the officer. Well, I argued that the force the officer used was excessive and disproportionate to what Mr. Opie allegedly did. Judge Zakor released him pre-trial release to Faith Farm, but I think they had some PTR pending with a $5,000 bond. At this juncture, Judge, I'm going to move to court to ROR him. He's been in the infirmary. When he came to the judge, he had some real bad wounds. The court did appoint the public defender's office. He still has a bandage around his head. I mean, just looking at it, it's just the force was disproportionate to what they allege he did.
Go ahead. Yes, all of those things he's saying is accurate. However, the court still found probable cause, gave him a $5,000 bond, signed it pending pretrial verification because he advised Judge Zakor that he signed up for Faith Farm Ministries and wanted to go there.
Hey, how's it
Judge
going?
Zakor told us that he's pending, but he wants to reside at Faith Farm Ministries. At that time, we were advised that the client was refusing medical attention. He did not want the doctor in the jail to care for him. This is what the trial has done thus far. We did contact Faith Farm Ministries. They did advise us that they will accept him, that they did have an application for him, but he must be medically clear, which based on my understanding, he's refusing to do that, refusing to have treatment. So what they
Are they?
is that they'll take him, they'll transport him custody from the jail to them. But that's assuming that
He's gonna get money clear.
Where does that leave me?
It's basically it's up to him because my understanding is he's refused to allow to be treated.
Sir, I understand you
They're not
refuse
gonna
medical treatment. So, is that correct?
What did you say?
He's saying you refuse medical treatment.
I refused staples by BSO.
He refused staples from BSO because he was scared.
And Faith Farm won't take
He's in fear.
Faith Farm won't take him for Mr. Azal, I'm sorry. Faith Farm won't take
He needs to be medically cleared.
That's what Faith Farm told us. We spoke with the gentleman. They're willing to take him, but he must be medically cleared and they won't.
You gotta go to the doctor.
I'm gonna send this to the division. Thank you. Okay. Yeah.
Your
Okay.
mic is muted.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna send this to the division judge, and if he can straighten it out over there and go to the doctor and get the staples, that's fine. Okay?
So that's the only thing holding him up.
From what I understand. Now, who else do you have over there, Mr. Opsahl? Mr. Opsahl, who else do you have over there? Bring him on up.
Judge, I also have I have a 30-day motion.
Who's that?
Mr. Vilch, I think it's Mr. Vilche.
One moment, Judge.
Do we? Oh, yeah, Bobet. They were looking for him.
He's on his way from
Thank
the
you.
unit.
Go ahead. Anyone else? Let me look here. Got it. Yeah, I've got it. Some Portuguese. I'm resetting that for tomorrow PM. Thank you. Portuguese tomorrow PM. That's Mr. De Oliveira Silva.
Your Honor, Mr. Vilche could be ROR today. We have not filed an information yet.
Alexander Viliche.
Yes.
Sir, you're going to be released on your own recognizance. Thank you.
One more case, Judge.
What is that?
Sir, come on up. It's a second look on a disorderly conduct, I believe. Your name, sir?
Justin Martinez.
Justin Martinez. He's been in custody since Sunday.
So would you like to plead no contest to this charge today?
Yes, yes, sir.
Case is over with. You're not going to have a trial. It's wrapped up right now.
Yes, sir.
How do you plead?
No contest.
I'll withhold adjudication. Thank you.
Judge, I appreciate you taking my cases. I'll see you tomorrow.
Is he?
See, there's reasons why cases don't get.
Mr. Offsall, come on back. Mr.
Yes,
Mr.
Judge.
Martinez, are you currently on probation?
Yeah, I was supposed to be on probation for misdemeanor probation.
When?
Not too long ago, like a week ago.
Are you still on probation now?
Supposedly, yes. A week ago, I got on
What are
probation.
you on probation for?
Assaulting somebody.
Judge, I'm going to move to withdraw the plea because it's going to violate his probation. You're on probation.
He actually got put on probation, Your Honor, about 10 days prior to this happening.
I'm gonna deny the motion and release him ROR. Thank you.
Judge, I have Boveas here from North Broward.
No action on, no.
Schedule a hearing
Yeah,
so he can be
he's
in
got
front
two
of the
cases.
judge.
Hold on, Eric, hold on.
Yeah, we just haven't gotten to him yet.
Got it. I got about 3 different cases running.
Sorry, Judge.
You handed me Alexander Vilche. I put denied because I thought that was.
All right.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. I got too many things going on at the same time. Okay. Granted, Vilche is granted, right? That's ROR.
Yes.
Okay, now, the last gentleman. I'm going to take no action on Mr. Martinez. I'm going to send that to the division, all right? We're not going to take the plea, okay? So, no action. Got it? Okay, now, let's go back. Let's go down. State, could you tell me if there's any week in ROR? You want to start at page 3, docket?
Yes, Judge. Okay. Keller, Your Honor, on his 10812 case can be ROR'd.
Now, what about Moses Coleman? Do we have Moses Coleman over there?
That's all. Are you?
Where's Moses Coleman?
I'm here.
So he's not turning the microphone off. He's not doing anything at all.
No, we're not done. We're handling cases. I don't know what you're asking.
The deputy said he can't hear you.
Which deputy?
From one of the jails, 6847.
At the main?
I think it's one of the side jails.
Yeah, but we need to know which one because
Coleman
this
Moses.
guy can hear
That's
him.
it. Coleman Moses. Do we have Coleman Moses over there? How about Laura Rodweiler?
Moses is indicating Paul Ryan.
Yeah, but Paul Ryan's down right now.
And that's where Rodweiler is going to be also.
Okay, on
Rodweiler's at both of them are at Paul Ryan.
I looked, and it's been filed on.
Well, I wanted to know it was the $75,000 trafficking has been noted, so he can actually find out $100,000.
Do you want to call on the telephone up there?
Yeah, I can try that.
Just call Paul Ryan and tell Lauren Rodweiler, her motion for RO is denied. It's been filed. Rodweiler, female. She's been filed, and so has Coleman Moses. They've both been filed.
But Coleman Moses is much less bond. Trafficking.
The following people, when I call out your name, you'll be released from custody. Okay, let me see here. Following people, when I call out your name, you'll be released from custody. That's Daniel Keller, ROR. Anthony Walker, ROR. Woodrow Hammonds, ROR. Jenna Moretti, ROR. Jasmine Thomas, ROR. Okay, Keller has 2 cases.
Yeah, do we know where Keller is? Only because while Keller is being ROR'd, one of his cases I know for a fact is being filed or has been filed as a misdemeanor. So I just want him to be advised. I'm sorry?
Did I call it out already?
You announced it's an ROR, but if they have him at either North Broward or Conti, Daniel Keller?
Okay, Willie Smith.
Where's Keller?
Willie Smith, ROR. Daniel Keller, that's the other one. Are both of them granted?
I'm sorry?
Are both Kellers granted?
Yeah, he's going to be ROR on both, but one's been filed. The carrying concealed has been filed as a misdemeanor.
So.
I've got to.
Okay. How about Yukore Polanco? That's ROR. Anthony Bellamy, that's ROR. Richard Marsh, ROR. Woodrow Hammonds, ROR. Now.
Yeah, look at the guy.
And we see, did you get Beauvoir up yet?
Yes, sir. He's right here.
Thank you.
How you doing, sir?
Good. You've been charged with burglary of a dwelling. How you doing today?
Not good.
How you feeling today?
Okay.
How do you say? Is it Beauvoir? Beauvoir?
Well, it doesn't matter.
Beauvoir. Okay.
Wait. I don't know. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Well, he's ROR.
Does this gentleman have any criminal records, State?
Your Honor, as I advised the court, Your Honor, he was arrested a week ago. Hold 1 moment. I'm just going to try to pull this back up again.
The arrest, by the way.
1 moment. It's more. And you know what? I don't think it was. He wasn't arrested a week ago, Your Honor. He was arrested on Bat Leo, possession of PvP, and assault charges. The state has not filed charges. He was ROR'd, and he got out about a week ago on the ROR. What did I do?
So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to set your bond today at $2,500. All right?
All right.
Assume you don't have any money in exercise community. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I have one more for North Brown.
Who do you have?
I have High Insight, Jarrell, High Insight.
Hyacinth.
Hyacinth.
Got it.
Patrice. Are you going to be, same here.
Where's Hyacinth? Hi, Hyacinth. How are you?
How you doing, Mr. Hurley? Mr. Judge Hurley?
Doing fine, sir. You're here for a very minor
She's
charge of
already mall.
trespassing.
Well, I don't know about Lopez.
Sir, I really apologize about this, but my disability check, my payee, I have to change my payee, sir.
Okay.
Hold on a second.
He's withholding the money from me.
All right, well.
Your Honor,
Trespassing.
was this
It's in a check request from,
on Oakland Park?
yeah, Oakland Park Boulevard.
6,000?
5400.
Close enough. He was arrested at 6,000 November 12th for trespassing.
Let me ask you. Go ahead.
I panhandle for food, sir. I'm homeless. My disability, my payee, he withholds some money from me sometimes, and I end up short, and I have to go panhandle for food.
But do you have a place to live?
I stay in an abandoned building right now, in an abandoned apartment, sir.
Well, have you tried to get in a shelter?
Oh yes. I'm trying to get back to Miss Susan's spa in 2016, in January 2016. I spoke to her already. She said come back and check her out.
Would you like to resolve your trespassing case today? Plead no contest? It's over with.
Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, how do you plead, sir?
No contest, sir.
All right. I'm going to accept that on withhold adjudication. Now, where are you going to go when you get out of jail there?
I plan on going to talk to Miss Susan's spa because it's already December. I'm going to see if I can get...
Where are you going to, when are you going to go there? Today?
Yes, sir.
You know, how far away is it from where you are?
She stays off 56th Avenue and 28th Street. Lauderhill Family Care, sir.
You're going to be able to get there this evening? You may have to walk there.
What time would I be leaving here? 6 o'clock or 9 o'clock?
No, you may leave there 10 o'clock tonight.
Oh, no problem, sir.
Would you like me to have them release you in the morning, let you stay there tonight, and release you in the early morning hours? So you're out of there. You're out of there in the daylight. You can catch a bus.
No, sir. I would like to be released tonight, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna withhold adjudication. Good luck. All right.
Thank you so much, Mr. Hurley, Mr. Judge Hurley.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a nice holiday, sir. Thank you.
You too. Thank you, sir.
All right. Is that a wrap, everyone?
That's a wrap. Your Honor, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Conti had 3 that the system went down. We didn't know what happened.
Who do you have?
Willie Smith.
Okay, let me find mine. Okay. Smith is released on his own recognizance. Who else do you have?
I have Anthony Walker.
I've got this one right here.
So keep checking with the clerk's office to find out when your arraignment is.
Check with the clerk's office tomorrow and every day after to find out when you have to. All right?
Yes.
Thank you, everyone.
Well, now you know you guys
Okay. Thank you, everyone. That's a wrap. We're out from 2:35. Have a nice evening.